Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log out of Instagram from all devices. If you signed in on someone else's phone or forgot to log out on another device, here's how you can log out of Instagram everywhere at once. First of all, open the Instagram app, then go to your profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Next, what you guys will have to do is go ahead and select account center and then tap on password and security, and then what you have to do is select where you were logged in. Instagram will show you a list of devices that currently have access to your account. If you see devices you don't recognize or want to sign out of all of them, the fastest way is to change your password. Once you set a new password, Instagram automatically logs you out of every other device except the one you're using. For a password change, I have made a separate video, so you can watch that video. The link will be in the description of that video. And after you change your password, you will be logged out of every devices. Now to stay safe, enable two-factor authentication in the same menu. For the two-factor authentication also I have made a different video which link will also be down in the description. That way no one else can log in without your approval. That's it. You have logged out of Instagram on all devices and secured your account. I hope this video helped you guys log out on Instagram on all of your account. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you all so much for watching.